Hey people, um, this will be a video about my new knife, which is the Microtech UTX70, and this is the box that it came with, and this is a knife. Comes with a very nice sheath, and this one is silver color. With the 6 tri screw. The takedown tool is actually very expensive. It's around $150 if you decide to get one. Apparently they don't want you to get one. The frame, the handle is made of aluminum, which is very light. This thing weighs only 1 ounce, and it sits very comfortably in your pocket. The clip, it's kind of like the 7S clip, which has 2 bumps. So when it's in the pocket, it sits really tight and really low. As you can see, you can even take the screw off. I think they also offer a different type of tips, so you can have something pointier here. The blade fires really fast, and there's not a lot of blade play for this type of knives. Usually they all have play, and it's very acceptable. The one I chose is the Tanto, and I think this is a new grind. I'm not 100% sure, but if it's not a new grind, it's a grind that they have not been selling for a long time, because I have seen many grinds that's it's more of like a dagger style or normal drop point style, and this is a two-tone. I didn't want to get a two-tone, but because I wanted this a silver color handle, and they only came with the 2 tones, so too bad I had to get a 2-tone, which is good because the 2-tone provides more rust resistance. Here's the top of the knife. The blade is actually not thin. This is a swedge that makes it thin, but it actually has a very nice tip, and there's a little bit of curve here, so it can serve as a little bit of a utilitarian knife, although this is just pure for show knives. Knife's very sharp, extremely sharp actually, and uses S30B steel. Knife is not sticking out. Very fast, very fun to play with, and it also comes with a safety system, which stops the blade from going all the way. In case it fires in your pocket, you'll just touch the tissue, makes a short penetration, and the blade will stop. Very nice. There's a blood groove here and here, so when it stabbed, the blood will flow through, go out, and so it will not trap the blade. Although there's not much of trapping on this one because it's very short. It's 2.41 inches long and 1 ounce, as I mentioned. And I got this from Blade HQ, and he also gave me a little gift, which is a Chinese made knife. I don't know the brand of this one, but seems okay. Liner lock. It's pretty heavy actually. It's about what 5 point, probably 6 ounces or more. Pretty heavy. I think this is all stainless. All stainless, and it's a fun knife. It's a better knife. It's not sharp at all, but you can sharpen it. The log is a little bit over, but it's free, so I won't be complaining. Alright guys, let me know if you have any questions. I'll answer them ASAP. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.